Hi guys, so for this video I'm using cotton in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 3.75 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now through the last chain from the hook I'll make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. And now again I will chain 4 through the 4th chain from the hook. I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 4, then through that 4th chain from the hook I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 4, then through the 4th chain from the hook I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 4, through that 4th chain from the hook I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 4, through the 4th chain from the hook I'll make 3 double crochet. So we just repeat this, it's just one row repeat. Hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.